Good morning and welcome to your daily operations weather briefing. Well, not the typical July weather that we see this time of year, with the overnight low temperature last night falling all the way down to 56 degrees. We'll see beautiful weather continuing today with the low humidity values. A little bit warmer weather is expected by tomorrow and will continue into most of this week. Looking at our current surface analysis, we've got a frontal boundary off to our south that is stationary at the moment. High pressure building in from the north, and as you can see, we do have a tropical storm that has formed off the Carolina coast, and that is currently packing winds at 60 miles per hour as of the latest advisory. You can see here currently stationary, just barely moving off to the south at 1 mile per hour, and will continue to just kind of meander off the coast for the next couple of days, and then eventually be picked up by a cold front that will be moving through that southwesterly flow. Ahead of that front, we'll see the storm race off to the northeast by the middle of the week, staying well off the coast and not really affecting the Wallops region with anything more than some high surf along the coastal sections of Delmarva. You can see here with the current forecast tracks from the models, everything keeping it well off the coast, so no concerns at all about any major impacts here at the Wallops region. So taking a look at our satellite, you can see the tropical storm just slowly meandering off the coast. We are expecting that storm to increase in its intensity as we go into the later evening hours tonight into the day tomorrow, and we are expecting that tropical storm to eventually become a hurricane with winds potentially up to around 90 miles per hour, as is currently forecasted by the National Hurricane Center. Taking a look currently out there at our observations, just a little bit of upper level cloudiness at about 25,000 feet with unrestricted visibilities. Our winds are out of the north at 7 knots. Temperature still very cool at 65 degrees, humidity at 81%. So a very comfortable morning out there for us. Looking at the next 24 hours, mostly clear skies are expected to continue during the afternoon and evening hours tonight. We'll see the low temperature falling into the low 60s, so another cool evening for us, much lower than what our normal temperatures are for this time of year. Seeing those temperatures rebounding by tomorrow at 8 o'clock up into the upper 60s, and we will see some warmer conditions for our Tuesday, as temperatures are expected only in the low 80s today, and we'll see those temperatures up into the upper 80s by the time Tuesday afternoon rolls around. Looking at our terminal forecast, expecting VFR conditions, no concerns with visibility or ceilings for the next 24 hours. And as we go into the Tuesday-Wednesday time period, you can see warmer conditions expected, a high of 88 degrees for Tuesday under mostly sunny skies. Tuesday night, we'll see that low temperature dropping to around 69 degrees. And then for Wednesday, we'll see a little bit more cloudiness, especially during the afternoon. Mostly cloudy skies expected. See a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm during the late afternoon and evening as that upper level trough begins to move through the area. We could see a isolated shower or thunderstorm, not a very high chance, as we'll see a little bit of a lack of moisture to fire those storms up in our area, but looking at those chances mainly confined to the late afternoon and evening hours. That'll wrap it up for today's daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. for a look at your extended forecast. Have a nice morning.